Welcome back, everyone. Let's start off with that weather story. Again, we had some showers around the area. Those have since fizzled on out. Tomorrow calls for less humidity, sunshine, and temperatures in just the lower 80s. Definitely the pick of the week. Sunday, we do have the chance for some severe weather to return. Here's the stationary front. You can see Hurricane Lee is making that impact toward eastern parts of New England, Nova Scotia, the Canadian Maritimes. A lot of dry areas behind the stationary front, though. We're going to be seeing that tomorrow as a high pressure continues to build in parts up the East Coast. What that means for us is temperatures will cool off tonight a little bit below average. Right now we are currently seeing 76 at Tybee, 72 in Savannah. Some mid-60s are already on the map. And tonight north of I-16 we could be seeing some temperatures even getting close to near the upper 50s. A little warmer on the coast from that moisture and still some humidity south of 16. Places like Townsend, Darien, Jessup in the upper 60s. Again, tomorrow widespread though, low 80s is the current situation. So the day planner calls for temperatures to warm up to the low 80s with nothing but abundant sunshine. Maybe a 10% chance for a quick shower, but Sunday looks like it's going to be the day where we're seeing more of that precipitation out and about. If you're heading to the beach, it's going to be a perfect day besides those high rip current risks. 84 in Savannah, 85 in Rincon, Meta 84 degrees. A few places could get near the upper 80s. I'm thinking though with the early cloud cover we could be seeing, it might limit the high temperatures to just the lower 80s. And with that break from the humidity, the weekend just looks perfect up until late Sunday afternoon. We could be timing out some stronger storms with a high of just right around 82. Again, more of that cloud cover could keep some places in just the upper 70s throughout the weekend, but the current situation calls for just sunshine on Saturday, maybe some storms on Sunday. Futurecast confirms this throughout Saturday afternoon. Some clouds could fill in toward the western parts here, reviewing counties. Maybe a sprinkle between 5 and 7 p.m. It's going to dry out though approaching Sunday. Could be seeing some stronger storms, popcorn cells that could form around toward the late afternoon into the evening hours before a more widespread line of storms could move through closer to 9 to 10 p.m. Monday looks a little bit more dry than this, but if you have any sort of plans Sunday afternoon, prepare for maybe up to a few inches of rainfall in the worst of the downpours. Many other places, though, could be dry for the majority of the day. Again, you just want to keep that eye on the sky. When thunder roars, head indoors. We currently deal with Tropical Depression 15. All the long-term ensemble members have this not affecting the southeast or the Gulf, likely out to sea. Could be affecting Bermuda, though. We have to keep an eye on it, and there also is a little tiny wave off of the African coast. 20% right now, low chance of development. That's the current consensus by the National Hurricane Center. But for tomorrow, let's just enjoy the dry weather out there. Not a lot of humidity. It's going to feel great and warm. Winds out of the northeast at right around 5 to 10 miles per hour. All right, the 10-day forecast. Besides Sunday, it's going to be relatively dry out there. Look at that. Saturday, 84 degrees in sunshine. We're going to get that 50% chance of storms on Sunday. But past that into next week, that's when we could be seeing temperatures 3 to 5 degrees below average. Tuesday, 83. Wednesday, 83 as well. Those low temperatures are also going to feel nice and relaxing. There's my social medias, everyone. Have a great evening and happy weekend.